green pearl in Himalayan crown. Himachal Pradesh is blessed with a rich flora and fauna that graces the land with grandeur and majesty. The naturally beautiful Himachal Pradesh has some of the greatest places to see. It has more than enough to offer the travelers and tourists. Situated in the northern part of India, this hilly state has a great landscape and topography which has allowed it to flourish in tourism, wildlife and breathtaking scenic views. Especially, the climate here is unique type. A beautiful blend of both warm and cool air flows here that also brings ample amount of rainfall. This has allowed the region to grow immense amount of greenery. There is a huge forest cover in Himachal and because of this there is vast variety of flora and fauna. The wildlife in Himachal has attracted people from everywhere. Animal lovers come here to get a glimpse of the beautiful Himalayan animals and birds.
Himachal has tropical forests that have trees of wide variety such as the Kedar, pine, oak, fir, birch, alder, etc. Beautiful rhododendrons make the forest enchanting to see and the green fresh grasses make a perfect jogging area here. Among these beautiful plants and flowers, there are some beautiful birds and animals such as the pheasants, kids, snow leopard, tar, deer and Himalayan bear that have made the Himachal Pradesh wildlife unique. This amazing state has been blessed with such beautiful wonders and the Himachal tourism. Himachal Pradesh has about 27% of its total area under forest. This makes the wildlife thrilling and exciting.
The forests of Himachal Pradesh, known for their grandeur and majesty, are like a green pearl in the Himalayan crown. According to the National Forest Policy 1988, at least two-thirds of the geographical area should be under forest in the hilly state like Himachal Pradesh. Out of the total 45,000 species of plants found in the country, as many as 3,295 species are reported in the state. More than 95% of species are endemic to Himalayan and characterized of the western Himalayan flora, while 5% are exotic introduced over the last 150 years.
The Great Himalayan National Park is home to animals like musk deer, brown bear, tahr, snow leopard, tragopan, snowcock, etc.
Himachal is a land of evergreen forest and fresh air. The foothills and valleys gives a breathtaking view with thick covered forest, dominated by Shorea robusta shisham cheer pine. After the winter snow, hillsides and orchards bloom with wildflowers, marigold, rose, tulip, lilies, lavender, and other carefully cultivated. In fact, the government is gearing up to make Himachal flower basket of the world.
Himachal Pradesh State Biodiversity Board has identified 16 animal species as endangered. Some of the endangered species in Himachal Pradesh are Himalayan musk deer, red-headed vultures, and golden mahseer. The board has set up a separate committee with experts to identify the animal facing extinction. There are several reasons due to which these animals are becoming extinct, like hunting, deforestation, and habitat loss.
Himachal Pradesh has begun an exercise with central assistance. The program will take care of the flora and fauna in the dissemination of the practices of biodiversity conservation. The efforts were concentrated in the Upper Beast area where the natural forest ecosystems are mostly extensive. Conservation methods of flora and fauna include awareness and capacity building of local communities and staff, improving infrastructural facilities, habitat, biodiversity conservation, non-conventional energy, and cultivation of medicinal plants, and the establishment of a national park or a biosphere reserve.